Hello there, everybody. It's been a while since I made some videos about reviews on Blizzard ice cream treats from Dairy Queen. So today, this time, it's the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. That's right, it's made out of pumpkin pie, some whipped cream, and creamy DQ saucer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a try and see what it tastes like. Here it is. Let's give it a try. Mmm, yummy. It tastes like pumpkin pie with some whipped cream on it. Yep, it tastes like pumpkin pie for sure. Just gonna give it another try. Mmm, yummy. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend to try this flavor on this Blizzard. It's really yummy and it tastes like pumpkin pie. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this pumpkin pie Blizzard treat? Let me know what do you guys think in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That will help me out a lot. And I'll see you next time. And bye for now.